In front of me is Realme 12 and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS launcher. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started at the bottom. Choose I agree to terms and conditions and select Continue twice. Finally, you can select while using and allow in all available pop-ups and close another. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you're finished, click on Set as Default at the top. Then click on iOS Launcher to set it up and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into Launcher app, clicking Set as Default at the top, and clicking on System Launcher instead of iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!